Good afternoon, students. I am Sister Jinsi, here to take your English language class. Let's proceed with our next lesson in your book, that is the lesson 3, kinds of sentences. Before we proceed to this lesson, let us quickly revise our previous class, what we have learned. We learned about the sentence. We learned the definition of a sentence and few examples and important points that we have to remember. That is, a sentence always begins with a capital letter, ends with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. And there are two parts of a sentence, that is the subject and the predicate, and we learned more detailed about this. We learned from a sentence how to divide subject and predicate and how to select the subject or insert subject into a particular sentence. So today let us go ahead with our lesson, the kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. The first one, an assertive sentences, which we learned in level 2 and 3 and 4, mostly in the name of statement. An assertive sentences it states or says something. It is also known as declarative sentence, and it always ends with a full stop. For example, she is my best friend. Today is a rainy day. This says something about a fact. Now moving on to our second sentences, the interrogative sentences, which we learned as a question sentences. It always asks a question and ends with a question mark. For example, what are you doing? When will you return my book? So these are known as the question sentences. And the third one, we have imperative sentences, also known as request or a command sentences. This type of sentences also ends with a full stop. For example, do not go out. Wash your hands with a soap. So either it requests to us or it commands. And the fourth one, we have exclamatory sentences, which is also known as happy or sad sentences. This type of sentences expresses strong or sudden feeling or a wish. And this type of sentences ends with an exclamation mark. For example, how beautiful the rainbow is. What a silly mistake I made. So these are the 4 types of sentences that we learned. And quickly let us go once again. Which are the 4 types of sentences? Number 1, assertive sentences. Number 2, imperative sentences. Number 3, interrogative sentences. And number 4, exclamatory sentences. So dear students, I request you to go through your lessons, read it while watching this video and try to understand so that you will be able to ask your doubts clearly during the class time. Thank you.